In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Manychat cheap, and it will only take about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Manychat or just looking to make the most out of it on a budget, this walkthrough will guide you through a straightforward approach to saving money, while still leveraging the essential features Manychat has to offer. First things first, let's head over to Manychat. Simply open your browser and type in the Manychat website URL, which will bring you to the home page. If you have an account you'll want to sign in, you'll find the sign in button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Once you're logged in, this is where the magic starts to happen. We're diving into the very heart of Manychat itself, its home dashboard. From here, you can access a variety of tools and features designed to help enhance your chatbot's effectiveness without incurring unnecessary costs. It's a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry, you'll get familiar with it soon enough. Now, with Manychat's potential at your fingertips, let's make our way towards scrutinizing the pricing options. Finding this information is quite simple. On the Manychat homepage, there is a direct link to view pricing. Just click on that link. It's usually prominently displayed to help users quickly understand their financial commitments right up front. Once you're there, you're presented with a range of pricing options. Manychat's pricing plans vary, offering solutions that cater to businesses of all sizes. For our goal today of keeping expenses down, we're focusing on sticking with the free plan. The free plan is often the best option for those who are just getting started or need to maintain a strict budget. This plan provides you with basic bot and messaging functionalities, which are quite sufficient for many small businesses and projects. With this plan, you'll still be able to enjoy automated messaging across different platforms, something crucial for maintaining engagement and customer interaction. However, it does come with limitations on the number of audiences you can reach and the advanced features you can utilize. A pro tip is to strategize how to make full use of the free plan's offerings by integrating other free marketing tools that can complement what Manychat provides. Consistently evaluate your needs, and if you ever find that your requirements expand beyond the scope of the free capabilities, gradually consider budgeting for higher tier plans if justified by your business growth. And that wraps up today's video on keeping Manychat cheap. Remember, the key is to balance costs with your current engagement objectives, ensuring you're not only saving money but also maximizing the platform's potential. Don't hesitate to revisit this guide as you explore Manychat further. Thanks for watching.